Okay, guys, it's 18th of February, and this bloody MySejahtera says this is my third day. I'm a casual contact of somebody running around in town who is COVID positive. What a stupid MySejahtera my trace. Well, here is the rapid antigen test for saliva and nasal swab samples. Okay, right, and I've already taken the samples from the mouth and from the nose, like that, as per instruction. I cannot take video of myself doing that because I'm doing it alone. I don't mind showing you my nose if somebody helps me take the video. So here goes. Here goes a test. Oops. Okay, according to the instruction, I followed all the instruction 5 times this and that. Now you have to supposed to, okay, can you see it? You're supposed to mix it like what? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then squeeze the thing there. Squeeze to make sure that all the juice in the nasal samples are mixed into the liquid. Okay. Right. Squeeze it already. From the swab. Okay. Then where is that disposable like put it here. My video is still in focus. Yes, you are still in focus now. Okay, I put the swab sample into the whatever safety plastic. Right now here goes. Put a cover. Yep. Right, that's tight. Then you're supposed to tap it. There's no more air. Yes, that's supposed to be mixed well. Open this thing. Lay it flat on the table. There it goes. Right. Oh, it's not in focus. Now, let me first focus into that silly thing. Right. Now you are well in focus. Then 2 drops. It says 2 drops, fellow. Oops. 1, 2. Okay, that's complied. Now let's see if it is flowing to the side. If it fails, you throw them all away and give up. Yes, it's moving. The color is moving. It's passing the test. It's passing through the test label, test section. Okay. And it's coming to the controlled. Well, the T is not showing anything. And the C line is coming, but nothing on the test line. So that's negative, isn't it? Well, I got a bit of a flu, runny nose. Just what I've been suspecting. Common cold. But no fever. Well, that's already 5 minutes. Am I going to wait for 15 minutes? Put it closer here. Now. Yeah, it's a clear control line. Nothing on the T line. Well, that's it. There's no point waiting for 15 minutes. It's done. Bye. That's it, folks. This is the second time I did a test. It's still negative. So who the hell is my casual contact? Just somebody passing me through the street? Pass me by in the street? I think your government MySejahtera sub-program is useless. That's the conclusion I get. Useless.